Our 10,000 Wh fast charging charger. Its input pot can be connected to 400 volts industrial three-phase electricity. Plug in and press. No additional settings are needed to start charging. The screen on the charger side can directly display relevant information. It mainly includes 5 major categories. 1. Charging information. 2. Battery information. 3. Cell voltage. 4. Alarm information. 5. Parameter settings. Each of them can be viewed in detail. Built-in overvoltage, overcurrent, and overtemperature. Charging timeout and other multiple protection functions, according to the battery state. And BMS charging request. Automatically adjusts voltage and current. Can check the battery's charging status at any time. Can support a maximum charging voltage of 100 V, 100 A current. Constant current charging connects to the mobile phone app. Can check the voltage status of each cell. Can support mobile phone Bluetooth app. Can check the total voltage of each cell and discharge current. Built-in 3-channel cell temperature acquisition. Built-in data recording and storage. Each time of charging and discharging, it can automatically record and store time and data. Can record up to 60,000 charging and discharging entries. Support can interface. Can communicate with the flight controller using the drone remote controller or ground station. Can check the battery level in real time.